Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to share your YouTube channel on WhatsApp, whether it's your own or someone else's, I will show you how to grab the link and send it in just a few taps. So let's go. So first, open your YouTube application. So go to the channel you want to share. Once your channel loads, tap the three dots in the top right corner and tap share. You will now see sharing options. Tap copy link if you want to paste it manually, or tap WhatsApp icon directly to share instantly with your contacts. Okay, let's copy the link. Here, open WhatsApp and choose a chat. Let's go with this one. And here, tap and paste the link. Then send. And done. If your channel is verified or has a custom handle, you can simply send youtube.com/your channel name. It looks clean and easy to remember. And that's how you share your YouTube channel link on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.